What if there was a quick way to earn more than $800 right now? Simple, as in having 90% of the work completed for you with only a few clicks and you could begin getting paid right away. Only a small percentage of the more than 300 different strategies and tactics that have been researched for making money online have been shown to work in practice, and this is one of them. Even though it is a completely free method that works in any nation, not everyone can make use of it. Why? Because 97% of the people who watch this video will skip various sections without fully understanding the concept and will miss some very small details and crucial facts. By following this video until the end, you won't be one of the 97% of people who fail to make any money. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn $625 every 15 minutes. Let's now get going. Go to Latium.org now, and once there, select the Browse Projects category by clicking the link in the top Browse section. That will take you to this page, where you can browse among the available feature projects. You can see that there are practically limitless assignments available for you to select from on this website, and you might be earning a sizable sum of money. I'll demonstrate how to do it in a way that requires very little effort on your part. People from all around the world are utilizing this chance to increase their income. All of the jobs are divided into different categories on the left side of the page, including usability testing, registration, translation, app downloads, video and animation, and so on. I'll save you a huge amount of time and give you access to the extra advice right away, so that you may start making money right away. I'll demonstrate to you what is best and most efficient at this time. I'd like to give you one more piece of advice and ask that you concentrate on the graphics and design categories. All you have to do is access the page, which only displays projects involving graphics and design. Just click on this link right here. I can assure you that this is one of the simplest ways to make money, and you can do it even if you have no prior expertise or knowledge of technology or graphics. Just take a look at all of these projects, some of which are worth thousands or even hundreds of dollars, to see how many tasks and jobs are open to everyone. If I want to know how many projects are available, I can simply keep scrolling down. Most likely you're asking yourself, how can I do that? And how can I start making money, like these $500 in US dollars? Let's say Trusted Training posts a project similar to this. The project is available here. They want you to create a fresh, unique logo. All you have to do is visit this website right now and click on this project. As you can see, the payoff is between $450 and $550, and you'll be paid in US dollars. As you can see, we wish to create a brand new, distinctive logo for our training business, Trusted Training. Visit freelogodesign.org to access the logos without having to create any of them yourself. You can notice from the homepage of this website that it provides free software and services that enable you to make logos in a matter of seconds. As you can see, these are just a few examples of expert logos for various businesses, and they are all made using various templates with various designs. Once more, I can tell you that this will be among the easiest ways to make money without having to put in any work. A professional logo can be created quickly and easily. Two sorts of information are required in order to create a free logo on this website. You must first choose a company name before selecting one of these categories. We can find a company name right here. For example, if we wish to work on this project, we must enter the company name Trusted Training. We are including the company name because it will be directly displayed on the logo, which is why we are doing so. Moving on, you'll learn that their company falls under the category of health, fitness, and activity, which indicates that they are a health and fitness company. After entering the firm name, we must select one of these subcategories. Simply select one of these categories by clicking on the down arrow to do so. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please leave a comment below. Let's look at the video again. We simply click below and look for education because there is a corporation that teaches people how to improve their health. You only need to click this button to get started right away, after which they will begin loading and displaying several logo types for you. With just one click of a button, they allow you to quickly and easily generate pages and pages of unique logo designs that you may use for free. You may select from any of these designs, and they're all extremely professional, as you can see when I scroll down below. Once you finish with page 1, simply click here to move on to page 2, where you'll see even more distinctive logo designs with the company name prominently displayed. If you give them to your clients on Latium and they are not satisfied, or if you're not satisfied with any of these logos, you can just choose any of these new logos and show them again. There are already 4 pages worth of various logo ideas to choose from within just one category. If you're not happy, you can view new logo designs by selecting other categories. You don't need any technical or graphic design expertise, and you don't have to create any of the numerous choices and imaginative logo ideas yourself. As promised, this is one of the simplest ways to make money right now without any expertise. Let's assume you want to choose this logo. All you have to do is click on this here and select Add, and it will show up on your canvas right away. From there, you can make any modifications or edits you desire. For instance, you may drag and drop this logo to any location, change its size, and make any other adjustments you desire. Let's use the company's name as an example. They are so professional that you don't need to make any revisions. You can complete all of your logos with a single click. You can add tags, modify the color, font type, and font size, as well as drag and drop them into any desired position. Simply click this button to view a preview of the logo, which is compatible with your computer, phone, and other devices. All you need to do is save the logo design on your smartphone after you are happy with it, and then just click the Save button. This is only one instance of a logo that was made for this particular business, and guess what? You'll discover that there are hundreds of projects searching for people like you and me to create various logos when you return to Latium and evaluate the different projects. For it, they pay you substantially and promptly. To sign up for free, all you have to do is click the button at the top of the website. This will lead you to a page where you can input your email address and begin making money with Latium. I'll give you one more extra piece of advice right now. In addition to visiting Latium.org, you can also visit Fiverr.com, a website for freelancers where you can find a number of related projects. You can find several projects and other logo design work just by entering the keyword logo design in the search box. These are of course just a few examples of different freelancers from other countries who work on Fiverr and make a living by assisting others with their logo design and creation. Hundreds of thousands of people have requested help in designing a logo. You could do it too, and all you have to do is visit the website for free logo design and quickly create all of the logos in a professional manner. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.